Yes, you've seen the title right. It's possible to not pay any taxes for your US LLC's income. But how? Okay, the first thing I need to make a disclaimer. It's a sensitive topic. I'm not a tax expert authorized by the IRS. I'm not a tax advisor or a CPA. However, I work with multiple CPAs and tax firms, I think around 10. And we did help thousands of entrepreneurs pretty much all around the world to do their federal income taxes, file their federal income taxes in the US. So everything I share in this video is my experience and it's my knowledge of these years that I work with these multiple people. There are 3 conditions that has to come together to not be able to pay any taxes. Unlike you heard, it's not like, oh, Delaware is tax heaven. I'm not a resident. I don't live in the US. I don't even sell to the US, so I don't have to do nothing, right? It's not like that, guys, okay? You need to file. That's the rule. So you have to file. You can get around with these 3 conditions, okay? Let's talk about these 3 conditions. Condition 1, you have to have a single member LLC. It's a disregarded entity. So the company doesn't actually make any income. It becomes your personal income directly. It's a pass-through entity. Condition 2, you should not have any physical presence in the US. You should not have an exit status. When you have an office, when you have a warehouse, or your business is a brick and mortar and actual physical location, it will not work. Condition number 3, I think this is the one that's ignored the most, is your country being on the IRS tax treaty list. I'm going to be adding a description, or you can just Google search IRS tax treaty countries. When these 3 conditions come together, you can take advantage of some sort of like a loophole that I would say, and pay no taxes. How? Simply, there's a form that you need to file if you own more than 25% of an entity in the US, okay? This form is called 5472 and it's attached with another form called 1120 pro forma. The main purpose of this form is actually avoiding money laundering and such activities. So when you fill this form, you tell to the IRS 2 numbers, okay? 1, your contribution, how much money you put into the business, and your distribution, how much money that you took out of the business. So how much money go into the business from your pocket, from your home country, and how much you took. You file this form and you pretty much say to the IRS, hey, I'm a taxpayer in my home country, and these are the money exchanges happen between me and my business. The money you take to your home country is normally liable for taxes. Many people goes around this by taking their money to like the offshore countries and offshore accounts like Hong Kong, Cyprus, Panama. Or you can simply just spend your money from your debit card. You can withdraw from ATMs and stuff. IRS do not go and call your country and ask and say, hey, Ali says he pays his taxes in Argentina or Pakistan. Is it true? Like, they don't do anything like this, guys. You kind of get the idea, and this is like the simplest explanation of this case that I can kind of tell you. We literally have hundreds of customers who chooses this path, and it helps them to like pay pretty much 0 taxes for their business and take advantage of having a US LLC. I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to write down in the comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, where you can see much more videos like this. And when you like this video, it's going to help to get in front of a lot of people that's similar to you, that can help them to take advantage of having the US LLC and not paying the taxes.